Hey there, parents. If you're watching this, you're probably knee-deep in the maze of securing a 1-1 aide for your child's Individualized Education Program, or IEP. It's not just you. Many parents are in the same boat, and it's incredibly frustrating. So why is it so hard to get a one-to-one aide despite your child's high level of need? Let's break it down. First off, budget constraints. Schools have limited resources, and hiring a full-time aide can be costly. Administrators juggle these constraints while trying to meet the needs of all students. It's not fair, but it's a real hurdle. Next, documentation. Your child's needs must be meticulously documented and justified. Schools often require detailed assessments and multiple meetings to even consider a 1-1 aide. This can feel like jumping through endless hoops, but clear, thorough documentation is vital. Then there's the issue of staffing. Even if the need is clear and the budget allows, finding qualified aides can be another roadblock. The demand for skilled personnel often outstrips supply, leaving many children without the support they desperately need. Also, schools may push for less restrictive environments. They might suggest other interventions or supports that don't require a 1-1 aide. While these alternatives can be beneficial, they're not always the right fit for every child. Trust your instincts and advocate for what you know your child needs. Lastly, there's the red tape. Special education laws and regulations can be complex and bureaucratic. Navigating the system often requires persistence and sometimes professional help. Educational advocates or lawyers can be invaluable allies in this process. So what's the takeaway? Don't give up. Document everything, be persistent, and seek professional guidance if needed. Your child deserves the best support possible, and your efforts can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating your child's educational journey.